Hello guys, it is Mack Fishing Tips here, and I would like to show you what is inside my tackle box. First, we're going to start out with my rods. Here are my bass rod, medium to light action, loose speed tip, very smooth, very smooth. 10 or 12 pound test I have on here, not quite sure. So that's my bass rod. Here we got my panfish rod, newer. It is a Daiwa. Sorry guys. It is a Daiwa medium action rod with 6 or 8 pound test. I think it's 6. And up there I got a jig or fly on it. So yeah. Let's get into the tackle box. I'm going to try to make this probably a 3-minute video. I have a Flambeau outdoors tackle box. Okay, so first I got all types of panfish hooks. Size, I think, 2 to 10. And 12 actually. I just have this big hook my mom gave to me. Hold on a second. Don't know what I'm gonna use it for. Thought I'd take it. I'm gonna move the camera this way. Got offset worm hook, 3/0. Got drop shot hooks here. 1/8 ounce below weight. 1/32 ounce below weight, 1/16 ounce split shot. Got these crankbaits. This is like a shallow diver. This is like a deep diver. Key. My bobbers. There's a whole lot of them. You know what? I need to take those out. Cause yeah. I need to put some more in there though. Here we got some shad baits here. Hold on just a sec. I'm sorry. I have these grubs. Hold on just a second. I'll be right back. Okay, see, guys, I just had to open that up. So, yeah. I forgot what brand these are. But here I have some same of those. But forgot what brand those were too. Got a crankbait. Recently got that. Well, it's February, so, well, I got that in July, so not recently. We got I got a blue jig, not black and blue, just blue. We got some scissors, some pliers. Okay, so what do we got here? Here's what we got here. We got jig crawl thing. Nice for bass. Got a chunk here. Got some river bugs. Got some river bugs, beavers, whatever you want to call them. Got this worm, white fluke, and some worms. Hold on just a second, I'll put them right in. Sorry about that, guys. I had to put those in. Here's just a safety thing. Hold on just a second. Cause like that, yeah. Okay, back to this. Here's some stuff I recommend you have at all times. Medium-sized knife, unless your mom or dad don't let you. Small knife, Q-tips. This pain relief to keep infection, stop infection. Band-aids, bag, and you always need one of these. It is not going to show up probably. Goodness gracious, that showed up. Okay, sorry about that. Got a paper towel, 6-pound line, which none of mine use on me. Flex my rods here. Oh, in fact, this has a fluke on it. Got some culprit, 6-inch. Hold on just a second. The color is hold still. Focus. Fire and ice. Okay, so next I am going to get everything. So yeah, here we have some Super Flukes. Got a whole bunch of Tournament Series ones my mom gave me. Got some Gulp Alive, which suck. Got some Germex and a Eagle Claw thing. So that's going to end it for what's inside my fishing tackle box. So yeah, that's going to cut it for today. And if you want to take a look at my room, here you go. Got my reels and rods and stuff. Here's my tackle box. Okay, see you later. Peace.